Y'all know who this is. That boy Richard.
Surfer.
If it's Roy's what you want, then Roy's what you get. Neighborhood dope man, got him starving for a fix. Checkers on payroll says dog need a lick. Fake flexing like you gotta be a target for this hit. An 80s baby, born hustler, you know what that is. Addicted to the cake shit, guess that make me the fat kid. Show you how to cook, but I can't make you eat. First floor explodes it all, it can show you weak.
GB the sickest, we can't beef with you niggas. Mark on my side saying fuck that little nigga. Bitch, you put that rod out, I gotta touch you little nigga. All that speaking on my dog, better stay with your pistol. All in traffic with a ratchet, got 23 with a yam. Bitch, you longed out, and ain't no trapping in your blood, you better tone down. I know some niggas in that villa, get you gone now, get you gone now.
Burn my little double cup and pet, put on my fish, shoot to the hood. Cause niggas say that I be high and I be posted where it ain't good. Where the dice play with your life and that be where you hit your point. I met a bitch, she thinks she sick, put your nigga inside my joint. I might be young, but raised difference. And killers go kill the killers, and pussies go kill the pussies. They was laying in the bush. Can't tell me how I was living, carjacking instead of stealing. Altercations in the shootouts for niggas who wanna kill me. Tell us spin, we spin again for my niggas in penitentiary. We want this bitch while you be tearing, now you say that you won't kill me.
Draco shoot a whole 100, call that bitch with Chamberlain. Molly, why you tucking all your chains? That shit keep tangling. Bitch, I play above the rim, you see my arm is hanging in. And G got so much faith in me, I run it on the 4th and 10. When you mention GBE to me, you probably want some clout. Nigga better use a GPS and take the safer route. And when you walk down, Duff, make sure you clean your feet. Cause we don't need no traces coming back to GBE.
Say niggas talking shit like a nigga won't send a blitz. Niggas know we rich like a nigga won't fuck his bitch. Say niggas send the muscle, now niggas they starting to snitch. And now they got some real niggas sitting behind a fence. Nigga got hit with 40, now he laying in the ditch. We'll pull up at your party and start spraying at your clique. You niggas so retarded, falling out about a bitch. See everybody know that GBE is slanging sticks.
I say I'm stepping on this shit like I got something to prove. I got some niggas with me now that ain't got nothing to lose. All they seen was them purple flags and a bunch of blues. But I got that Mac on me right now, so nigga bust a move. We in this bitch like what it do. You got your partner, I got this 40, let's have a 2-on-2. It ain't no limit on this chopper, so nigga hootie hoo. Have my nigga come and put one through your roof. Walk around these bitches like you bulletproof, nigga.